Hello traders, this is Dr. Zain Agha from zwinner.com. Here are my forecasts for the week starting Monday the 26th of October and ending on Friday the 30th of October. Let's have a look at what happened last week. Last week, 3 of our targets were met. So the first one was the USDJPY. We got a target one at 104.91 and we did make a good profit. The second target, we met the first target of the USD Swiss franc was met at 0.9047. And on USDCAD, our first target was met at 1.3099. Okay, so now let's go and have a look what's in store for us for this week. So here are my forecasts. This is the AUD-USD 4-hour chart. Now we're going to go long on the AUD-USD. Our first target is going to be at 0.7246 and the second target at 0.7324 with the stop loss at 0.6956. Then we are also going to go long on the EURUSD, and our first target is going to be at 1.1916 and the second target at 1.2000 with the stop loss at 1.1607. Then we're going to go short on the USD-JPY with the first target at 104.00 and the second target at 102.45 with the stop loss at 106.98. And we're also going to go short on the US dollar against the Swiss franc with our first target at 0.9047 and the second target at 0.8814 with the stop loss at 0.9302. Then we are also going to go short on the USDCAD with our first target at 1.3099 and the second target at 1.2838 with the stop loss at 1.3425. On the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar, we're going to go long with a target at 0.6800 and the stop loss at 0.6483, and there's no second target. That's the only target we have. Now here I have the GBPUSD pair. Now GBPUSD pair has been in a range. If the GBPUSD break out 13186, then go long and your take profit is going to be at 1.3488. And if it's going to break the 1.2863 level, then you go short and your target is going to be at 1.272673. Okay, so your stop loss is going to be opposite. Supposing you're going to go long here, so your stop loss should be here, and if you're going to go short here, then your stop loss should be here. Okay, so these are the 7 trades. I wish you all the best. Take care and have a nice lovely week. Bye bye. I'm sorry there has been an error in the USDCAD pair. The target 1 is at 1.2981 and the target 2 at 1.2838 with the stop loss at 1.3425. Sorry about the error. So I hope everything turns out all right for you. Take care. Bye-bye.